Hey guys, this is your welcome video for HPR 1613. This is physical education for elementary school teachers. So if you haven't figured it out yet, the goal of this is to teach people who are going to be elementary school teachers how to incorporate physical education into their classes, or to teach specifically physical education teachers. So depending on what your major is, you'll have a different experience in here. Some of you may not be elementary school. You may not be planning to be an elementary school teacher at all, but hopefully you'll learn some things about the importance of physical education. Maybe, I'm sure many of you will be parents one day if you're not parents right now, and you'll learn some valuable things about how we can incorporate physical education into learning with students, about conflict resolution, a lot of different tools that we use in schools that you could also use as parents, or whatever environment you have if you're working with children. So let me just kind of go over some of the basics of the course. If you've taken an online course before, you've probably seen a lot of this, but if it's your first online course, this will kind of help you with some things. I put some information there, and for your course this may be different because this video will be used for different semesters, but in your class you'll see in red here the dates of our proctored exams. So you need to make sure you're prepared to go to one of our campuses to take this exam. You can take it online by paying for a service and having an online proctor, but it will be a proctored exam that you'll have to do there to sign up for those proctored exams. And if you want to do that this week, you can. You just click the Smarter Proctoring button right here, and you can sign up for a time to excuse me, to take those tests. But those tests are a significant part of your grade. So you're going to want to make sure that you have that done. There's a book for this class. You've already purchased the book. It was part of your registration process, and the book is going to be right here on the bookshelf. All you got to do is click on the bookshelf, and then there is a PDF that's going to pop up on here. There's my book right there. You just click right there, and you can go into your book. So the way this plan works. So let me just kind of show you how this will work every week. So the way to navigate this course is modules. That's really important. You don't have to click on all these other buttons, but modules is the way you want to do it. So if you click on modules, I've put together every week as a module. So on week 1, you'll do this introduction, and then the next module is called week 1. It has your dates. So these dates may be different from what you see in this video, but you have these dates, when you start the module, when the module is finished. All of the assignments have a due date attached to them. So every assignment throughout the entire semester has a due date attached to it, so it makes it easy for you to plan. The week for me goes from Monday to Sunday. So all of your work is due each week Sunday at midnight. And I don't take late work. So you've got the entire week to do the work. You've got 7 full days to do that. And typically people are not sick for 7 full days straight or whatever it is. That's usually pretty convenient to give you time to do that. Many of my students wait till the weekend to ever look at their work. That's a bad idea. Every week there's a video. So in week 1, there is a welcome to class video where I cover everything that you're going to have to do that week. When you look at the next week and week 2, I kind of give you a tour of what you have to expect for that week. I would suggest on Monday that you go in and you click on that video, and I explain everything you need to do that week, and that'll help you prepare. There are video assignments in this course. You're going to have some setup, and it's going to take you some time to do that. You'll have to find a friend to video you performing different things and explaining different things. So if you watch that video, the introductory video at the beginning of every week, that'll let you prepare to do that, to do those assignments during the week. So I kind of give you a tour every week of what you got to do. But please look at those on Monday, because if you wait too late and then you're asking to turn in late work, the answer for can I do late work is usually no. So make sure you look through that. I think that pretty much covers the basics. The only week that does not end on a Sunday is the last week. The last week work runs from Monday through Friday, so you can see there it's a shorter week. Remember, those dates aren't necessarily aren't necessarily your dates. But hopefully that kind of helps you plan a little bit on what you need to do for the course. For this first week, you'll do the introductory module and you'll do the week 1 module. So pretty simple on week 1. If you have any questions, please let me know and I'll be more than happy to help. Good luck.